ready to go? You ready? Man, that was intense. All right, guys, just left from Gideon.
Driving to Florida. We're meeting my cousin and her boyfriend for his birthday week. We're going to Bonnet Resort. Bonnet Creek Resort.
So we finally made it to Bonnet Creek. Cousin already trying to make orders, guys.
Hey, gang, we about to get ready to take these shots in a second.
I got the doors, lady.
Shut up, kill one of you. I always got something to say. Cause I gotta get out the door. Okay. Oh, that pee was scary.
Nice little 2-bedroom. First thing we'll do, we'll start with the bathroom. Plenty of storage down here for you if you need it to be. Oh, I guess that's where the hair dryer is at. Drawers, a little Jack and Jill, so you can share it. Plenty of storage that you can have for it. Nice little TV. Nice little view outside. Little dining area. Kitchen. There's a birthday water there. Oh, they got another little closet in here. Another bed, more bedding if you need to. Here's the master bedroom in here. TV up here. They got a view out onto the balcony. Another view. Oh, they got the lazy river out there. Alright guys, that was the room tour. We're about to get unpacked, chill out with the cousins, and see exactly what we're gonna do for the rest of the evening. We're gonna have a good few days here, and then we're gonna go to SeaWorld tomorrow. Next day we're gonna go to Volcano Bay. Never been to Volcano Bay. And then Friday we're gonna be in Disney Springs. We're gonna be at the boathouse. We're just down here for just spend time with family and just hang out. Well, good morning, travelers. We are here at the Bonnet Creek Resort. It's absolutely beautiful resort, but right now it's absolutely raining. So I tried to go to the pool this morning, but not able to do that. So we're just gonna chill out, breakfast, and later on we'll be getting on out to SeaWorld.
Here we have 3 Don Julios, and we have a shot right here of what it is, lime for babe, because my boyfriend is about to be 16 years clean.
Yay!
Woo.
That's so good. How much?
Woo. Yeah, get you another shot of that. You get you like one more shot.
We are about to head out, and first stop we're gonna try to do is go through the slingshot.
Yes.
Slingshot, and then we're gonna go to SeaWorld. On our way, slingshot, first time. Birthday man over here.
Hey.
It's his birthday.
We are here at the Old Town Slingshot.
We about to do this slingshot. First time doing this. This is what we about to get on right here. Sling us on up.
I'm a nervous wreck, because he knows I will not get on that. Oh, here we go, here we go. I can't even see. Oh my gosh. That is them. We're making birthday wishes come true here. How was it, babe?
That was so fun. That was so great.
Awesome, brother. Man, that was awesome. Oh, man.
Oh, that's so, what a great way to start the day.
Oh, man.
Woo! That was wonderful.
How was it?
Man, that was intense. That was awesome.
I like the silliest grin on my face.
365
Yeah, I said
feet.
250. I was wrong. It's 365. Yeah.
Awesome. How was it, man?
Like that.
Like that.
Just like that.
All right.
So good.
Now,
That's why I tried.
one adventure down, going to the next one, going to SeaWorld. Let's go. Let's go.
Just like you said. Boys just walked into. Yeah. So me and her are gonna travel around the park and check out other things. We're about to head into the aquarium. That is pretty. Stingrays. We just walked into some underground cave-looking tunnel and stumbled across this aquarium. Look at that. How gorgeous.
Just got off of Kraken. She ain't got on. She would have passed out on it. A lot better than the Manta was. So, highly recommend if you gonna ride that one.
They're testing out that new ride.
Yeah, they're also testing out the new penguin track. And now we're just exploring, trying to figure out where we're going. Yeah, right there. Having a good time out here. We headed to the front, try to get one more in.
We are now have entered the shark exhibit.
Alright guys, that's the wrap on SeaWorld today.
That is a wrap. We are on the bus here on the shuttle on our way to Volcano Bay. We're excited to
We're gonna have fun.
experience this new adventure.
It's already hot out here. We ready to go? We ready. Volcano.
This is our first time. It's my husband's, my cousin's boyfriend, and it's also my first time. Welcome to Volcano Bay. We are about to go get our, I think it's called Tappy or Tapu. But we are here. We have just walked in. This is Volcano Bay, y'all. Look how beautiful. I am so excited for this day. We're trying to find a concierge right now. But look how gorgeous that is. This is gonna be awesome. Look at all those people in that pool though. Nerve-wracking. All right. We have a lovely lady that is helping us find where the cabanas are located. And we're heading that direction. Thank you so much. You too. Look at this, travelers. Look at this view that we are sitting back at and watching. Amazing. Waiting on some delicious food. The heat is a scorcher, but other than that, that's a beautiful view. Welcome back, travelers. We are sitting in our cabana here, me and my cousin here. Hey, y'all. Hey. And we are enjoying some nice heat going on right now. We just got off of the, what's it, the Rapid River? Yeah. So we got off of that, and we are just now about to eat and enjoy some food so we can get back in there in this hot cocktail. And a cocktail.
All right, guys, that was the it was a fun day. I know we didn't vlog much of it. Spent a lot of time with the family and stuff like that. We enjoyed it first time here. Definitely gonna be back. So we're gonna go back to the resort, rest up for a minute, and then we'll probably head to that pool. Oh yeah, we already planning next year. We got big things coming next year.
We're gonna eat up Orlando.
Oh, yeah. What you gotta say? What you gotta say? Anything?
I'm sorry. I'm so dazed out. I'm trying to find a bracelet.
Take that from me. Oh, he already knows. Fire pit behind me. This resort is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The Wyndham, Bonnie Creek Resort. I mean, there's several towers around here, and at each one of the towers there's something to do. They had some miniature golf over there. They got shuffleboard. I mean, they got bars and restaurants sitting outside. Y'all can see behind me, there's a fire pit going. Not everyone's got to be an adventure and going and everything else. Sometimes you just got to sit back, relax, and enjoy the atmosphere. What's up, travelers? We're going to show y'all a little bit of what we're going to do tonight. We're going to be at the boathouse at Disney Springs.
My favorite place.
Got a family behind us. You know, a couple highlights here and there that we're going to get into. We're going to the boathouse. Family over here. Everybody over here. Have a margarita. Wifey got a margarita. No salt. Got a half dozen of lucky ducks at the boathouse. All right, guys, just left the boathouse, got a drink in hand, family behind me. Had a great little dinner. Lobster roll was pretty good. Shrimp andouille. What's up, cuz?
Hey, I've
Really
had
here?
my whole lemon drop martini. I've had like one, and I'm already tipsy.
She already tipped.
So boyfriend is gonna have to hold me about 10 minutes. I'm gonna be able to handle this shit.
It's all gonna be worth it. It's his birthday though. It's his
Where
birthday.
we going?
I don't know. We're just walking around right now. But we enjoyed the boathouse though. It was good. Good food, good drinks, good company as always. Birthday man.
I'm my second trimester.
I'm feeling like I'm looking like I'm on my second.
Give me another cocktail.
Want another cocktail?
Oh, let's get a shot.
Wanna get a shot? Let's go get a shot. Walking into Gideon's. Gonna get some of these cookies now. Gideon's. Got a little bag for it. Everybody got their own what they want. They got the cold brew. We got peanut butter cookies, pistachio cookies, chocolate chip cookies. We got all kinds of stuff going on. Got it in the background. Now we're just walking around having a good time, man. Starbucks style for the wifey.
Of course she had to.
She had to have that.
Yeah.
Pick me up. To only be fair, she gets her coffee. I get me a margarita.
Yeah, that's fair.
That's how marriage works out. Balances out.
Welcome back, travelers.
Been in line at Dockside Margaritas right now. We got a coffee. I told y'all that's how we're gonna work it out. She gets her coffee, I'm gonna get my margarita.
I'm gonna get some energy back.
Alright, so we went to the Salt and Straw. Y'all kind of late to the party because we already killed that.
We killed it.
Everything was good.
It was so good.
So good. Had the peanut butter brittle fudge. She had the Panther coffee.
Trace leche.
Yeah, Trace leche. Brother had the chocolate stout over here, so all gone. Y'all can see more of us as we come along with all these adventures. So, brother want to say something.
No, I want to say
We're having a good time here, so we'll get back with y'all in a minute. Stop in to see where have a little bit of appetizers, a little drink. We're still here in Disney Springs. Family had to leave.
They have to leave early in the morning.
So they got to leave early in the morning, so they're going to catch up with us on the next adventure. So right now we're just walking through Disney Springs. Kind of what we're dealing with right now. Everybody's flowing one way. We're trying to go with flow of traffic right now. But me and the wifey, we're still here. Still gonna hang in here for a little bit. Alright guys, we just made it from a second trip from Starbucks. You know, the wifey had to get a second one, so now we're on the way to get my other one.
Then we're gonna find our way out.
Still trying to hang out. Shout out to Greg, shout out to Keisha. And we're gonna close Gideon Springs down tonight. Yeah, Bonnie Creek Resort, beautiful resort. If y'all haven't been there, make sure y'all check it out. Stay tuned for Drunk Cooking with Keisha later on.